Namadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Push your knees towards the ground and hold the pose for a few breaths.
The classical text Yoga Vasisht talks of two kinds of ailments, adij, stress-born, and anadij, non-stress-born. As our living conditions have improved, most of the ailments we see today belong to the first category, that is stress-born.
Helps in breathing, getting at a normal pace. It also brings it to the present. So something which Arpita shared about own resonance and how the you also helps you to bring it to the present. Experience you can also share. We feel our different sensations in the body, so it helps you focus on the body, keeping the thoughts away, which might be causing stress or anxiety.
And just this line, fake it till you make it, I don't know why it's stuck. Next time, whenever I'm getting into a meeting or an interview, I just think that I'm really good. I'm already good. I'm very confident. And then I used to enter the meeting. And so for the first few times, I faked it, acted out that I'm confident. Later on, it just came in naturally.
So till last night, I was like, okay, on Sunday I'll have to. But now during this call, I'm thinking, hearing Dhruv and hearing so many others who, are actually doing so much to make it happen, cooking and changing so much. Even I can actually just carry a tiffin and, eat something. I don't need to eat out. Yeah.
That's awesome. That's amazing.
Yeah, I think you can be one.
You are right of me. Yes.
In last 5 seconds, yeah, is one corner. I think we're done. Yeah, we're done.
Okay, lift your blindfold and have a look.
Wow, good surprise.
Not bad.
The last like 10.
Faster. Yogesh, go anti-clockwise. Faster. Easy, huh?
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Priya. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much.
much, guys. Thank you so much. Thanks.
Show me the 3-inch smile, please, Priya.
Yeah, like.
The first show is the best, so I'm sure everybody's going to do the great thing. But I'm going to give you this. Please accept this.
I'll take the big heart. Thank you.
You have taken my heart away. Please.
Yes. Thank you, Vishal. Thank you. Happy Valentine's Day to you too.
Oh. Let it go in a flow. Let there be a rhythm. You can have some song also. Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram.
Alright, so 1, 2, 3. मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता
चला गया,
फिक्र को
तुम्हें उड़ा चला गया. Awesome, Dhruv.
Thank you.
घड़ी बदल रहा है मूड अब यही, हैप्पी है कभी कभी है सैड, सब सही करती रहूं मैं, आठ मेरा खाती रहूं, सैलड मेरा जाती रहूं मैं, वॉक पर जो है समा कल हो न हो.
चाहे कोई मुझे जंगली कहे, कहने तो जी कहता रहे, हम प्यार के तूफानों में घिरे हैं, हम क्या करें. चाहे कोई मुझे जंगली कहे, कहने तो जी कहता रहे, हम प्यार के तूफानों में घिरे हैं, हम क्या करें. चाहे कोई मुझे जंगली कहे, पहला नशा पहला खुमार, नया प्यार है नया इंतजार, कर लूं मैं क्या अपना है दिले बेकरार, मेरे दिले बेकरार, तुम ही बता. पहला नशा पहला खुमार.
नहीं, डिवाइन पावर इतना सारा है हमारे अंदर, उससे हमने कुछ भी नहीं लिया है. तो मेरा काम है, मेरे अंदर के गुरु का काम है, आपकी डिवाइन एनर्जी को बाहर लाना है. जो छुपी हुई शक्ति, हमें पता नहीं है कि हम कौन है. हम एक यूनिवर्सल पावर है और हमारे अंदर 24 घंटा शांति, प्रेम, आनंद का भंडार है. और वो हमें कभी महसूस नहीं हुआ है. कभी कभी हमें सेंसेशन आ जाते हैं, लेकिन उसकी रियल ट्रूथ नहीं होती है.